Alright, so this is 9-12 and it says what is the area of a regular decagon? Okay, so remember a decagon is 10 sides with a perimeter of 100 units, show all work. Alright, so I always kind of like to generate some kind of sketch, and so I can't draw a decagon, but this is a decagon. I'll just write a note to myself, decagon. And they tell me that the perimeter is 100. Well, I know if a perimeter is 100, and I know that there are 10 sides on a decagon. If I take 100 divided by 10, I'm going to get 10. And so I know that the side length on this is 10 units. All right. So the next thing I want to do is I have to get this area of one of these triangles and multiply it by, so area equals 10 triangles times 1/2 times base times height. And so then A equals 5 times base times height. So now what I need to do is get the base, which I already have is 10. So let's just plug that in, 5 times 10. So what I have to do is get this height. Okay, and I can do that because I know that n minus 2. Actually, the way I like to do this is we know that there are 10 of these, and I know that this is going to be 360. So 10 times x equals 360. So I know there's going to be 10 angles, so I know the x divided by 10 is 36. So I know this angle here is going to be 36 degrees, and 36 divided by 2 is 18. So I know this is 18. If that's 18 minus 90, then I know this here is going to be 72. So then I know the height here, I know this length from here to here is 5. And so I can figure out what the height is using tangent, right? So then I have A equals 5 times 10 times the height, which is going to be what? Height is going to be equal to tangent 72 degrees equals h over 5. So this will be 5 times tangent 72 degrees equals the height. So then I can just plug that in here, right? So that'd be 5 times tangent 72 degrees. All right, and so now it's just a matter of let's multiply it all together. Make sure your mode is in degrees. So 5 times 10 times 5 times the tangent of 72, which is 769.42. And my units doesn't give me units, so I'm just going to say units squared.